Alright, let's draw a simple painting today. You can see a wood canvas which is unusual shape, so not the regular shape, but we're going to draw a very nice scenery, very nice tree, and it's going to be a artwork and looks like a showpiece. So let's make the color variations for the presentations of the objects or the uh, scenery drawings. Okay, so usually we put the color for the tree branches different color, but here we're going to put the yellow color for the tree drawing. Okay, so the branches are going to be with the yellow color. So we are going to use all the unusual colors for the presentations of our drawings. Okay, so it looks like a Y shape. Then you can see the other Y shape here, another Y here. Okay, so the top portion is little bit pointy. And just putting the ground, okay, with the soft strokes of the brushes. All right, so there's the branches and the main trunk of the tree. Now we are going to put the orange color to show the leaves and the density of the tree leaves into the painting. So somehow it looks like uh, because of the reflections and the brightness and the darkness, the changes of the lightings, some portions you have the deep color and some portions you have the variable colors, like you can make it lighter. Okay, you can see the lighter portions of the tree. Just we're going to put the you know brush strokes in a variable color format and the shades and shadow changes for the trees over the canvas. So in some portions we're just putting the deep dark strokes, and then the strokes becoming lighter. Okay, so only the bottom part has the deeper color, and as it moves to the upward the colors fades away. Okay, so a few shades and shadows exists within the tree. You can see the more you mix it, the more the drawings become realistic. Okay, so put the little colors within this black canvas and the drawings become little bit realistic. Okay, all right, and putting other soft colors at the bottom. So you can see the yellow branch, the orange color for the other leaves, and the top portion of the tree. Okay, and the water, it's going to be the green color. So usually the waters we present it with the blue color, but here you can see the canvas is darker, so we are going to use the green color for the water. So putting the green colors all over the canvas, making the variations. Okay, It's the creativity. Let's take the simple few ideas for the drawings and use our imaginations. Okay. All right, now for the drawing and better mixing of the ground level, we're just going to add little bit water and make it's nicely mixed up with the whole canvas. Okay, just putting the color here, and again we're going to take a little bit bright yellow color just to emphasize the focus of this ground level. Okay, let's put the yellow color and focusing the ground level here once again. Okay, there's the drawing. I hope you like it. Very simple and easy. Have a good day. We can also move the canvas a little bit just to show you the nice presentations. All right.